Feature now the ladies of Napole Onikolehua. The song is right? Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Alright. Sorry, Molokai. It's like we're gonna go over from this island and hop on over to Hawaii Island, Mokukiawe, over to the Kona side. Pretty much like the anthem for that area. So again, if you know the song, sing along. If you know the hula, let them take care of it. They're okay. Okay? Noi Guerrero, you've been paged, so just you see your hula sisters dancing. Yeah, you can come join them.
If you don't make it by Malihini,
Oh, you saved the next song for you. Here we go, ladies. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the lovely ladies of Napole Onikolehua and Kona.